Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the best Kiss Classy press-on nails. A must-have for anyone who loves a quick, easy, and salon-quality manicure at home. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and style to your nails without the hassle of visiting a salon, these Kiss Classy press-on nails are the perfect solution. These nails come in a trendy coffin shape with a medium length, offering you that fresh and classic French manicure look. What makes these nails stand out is that they're ready to wear in minutes, with no dry time required. Yes, you heard that right. You can achieve a stunning, long-lasting manicure in just a few simple steps. One of the best features of these press-on nails is their durability. They're designed to be waterproof, smudge-proof, and chip-proof, so you can enjoy beautiful nails for up to 7 days. Whether you're washing dishes, typing away on your computer, or doing anything that involves water, these nails will stay put without any issues. And when it's time for removal, you won't have to worry about damaging your natural nails because the process is easy and hassle-free. The Kiss Classy nails also come with a gel top coat that adds a high shine finish, making them look like a professional salon manicure. They are ultra durable and flexible, so they're comfortable to wear all day long without feeling bulky or unnatural. Inside the DIY kit, you'll find 28 fake nails, a 2 grams pink gel nail glue, a mini nail file, and a manicure stick, giving you everything you need for a precise and flawless manicure right at home. And the best part is that it's all so simple to apply. Just follow the easy instructions. Apply glue to the back of the artificial nails. And your natural nails, align with your cuticle, press gently for 5 seconds, and voila! Your nails are ready to go. The Kiss Classy press-on nails are available in different designs, so you can choose the style that best suits your mood or occasion. Whether you're going for a simple, elegant look or something a bit more daring, there's a design for everyone. And with their easy-to-apply, long-lasting qualities, these nails are perfect for anyone who's short on time but still wants to look fabulous. If you're looking for a product that's easy to use, delivers professional results, and lasts for days, the Kiss Classy press-on nails are an absolute game-changer. So, if you want to take your nails to the next level with minimal effort, this is the product you've been waiting for. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more amazing product reviews. Until next time, stay stylish.